All right, problem one, if B is between A and C, so right away, we know, let's turn this guy to pen. Slight delay there. B is between A and C, so right away, we know we have a line segment, and we have B somewhere between A and C. So I just have that. I got a picture like this. There's B, he's between A and C somewhere. AB, this length from A to B is 4n minus 2. B to C is 2n minus 2. So it says, hey, what's the total length from A to C? Well, this should be obvious. We know AB's length from here to here plus B to C's length from there to there is equal to the whole length all the way across. And that's the formula we normally write. But right here, we should be able to see that all I got to do is add those two things. But again, here's AB, which is 4n minus 2, plus BC, which is 2n minus 2, will equal AC. So when I put it together, I get what? 6n, lose 2, lose 4. And there's our answer for the length of AC. And remember, when it says AC, that means the length from A to C. There's nothing above it. Problem 2, if A is at 3/8 and B is at 10/11, what is AB? So we have a point here and a point here. And we want to know the distance. That's what it's saying. What is the distance from A to B? So what I need to do, I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. I know that this bit here is simply the difference in my x values. The difference in my x is going to be that horizontal leg. This going up is going to be the difference in my y values. That's going to be that leg, and it'll equal that. Remember the a squared plus b squared equals c squared, the Pythagorean theorem? So the distance formula is based off of that, and it's simply the change in the x value squared, because that's this leg squared, plus this vertical length, change in the y value squared. And we take the square root because, again, that's equal to c squared, and we want just who? C. That's why we take the square root here. So I just got to use the formula. Subtract your x's, the difference between 3 and 10. What are those difference? 7. So just subtract, get 7 squared. Plus the change in the y's. 8 and 11 is how much? 3. So 3 squared. So it's 49 plus 9. So it's simply going to be the square root of 58. So we just go to the calculator, take the square root of 58. We do know that's 7 point something. So I'm looking at a calculator right now, and it says the square root of 58 is 7.61577 and all this stuff. So just about 7.6. So it's approximately 7.6 is the distance of that leg, the length of that leg.